Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Thursday, January the 21st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. The link to the free room, it is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Sharing my screen, live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. My homepage has information about how you can take out a subscription to Trade Ideas using a promo code. It's got some trading. It's got all the scans that I share. It's got the Trade of the Week link, and it's got a lot of other educational videos and text based, especially the 2020 lessons. I think that's an excellent way to start if you are brand new to Trade Ideas. Now, I do apologize. We had some problems with the main trading room today and the login procedure. There was a glitch that happened, and so everybody had to go to our YouTube room, which wasn't so bad. At least we did have a nice backup. I mean, I run the YouTube room at the same time as what I call the main trading room. Anyway, hopefully that doesn't happen tomorrow. Wow, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. I have to show you my watch list, guys. I mean, this is just what a spectacular day for the watch list. I'm just going to go over, these are the alerts that we had this morning. BBIG, so the alert was at 681. There's the candle in which the alert happened. Almost straight up to 921 from 681. I mean, probably not gonna too many like that. I mean, that is an extraordinary move. It has pulled all the way back, but I mean, this is in 15 minutes. You had plenty of time to get in, plenty of time to get out. QTT took a while, but 369. You see what I mean? It took a while. There was the alert. It chopped around for a while, but there is the alert again right there, and look what it did afterwards from 369 almost straight up to 464. I mean, that's a tremendous percentage move. BZH, which was such a tremendous winner for us yesterday, I think again that candle that's showing you when the alert happened. Look at this, straight up from 1885 all the way up to 1993. I mean, this is just great moves. It pulled back now, but this is one that I traded yesterday. I mean, look at the move this one had yesterday. Probably a lot of profit taking now. Just couldn't quite get through 20. Here's another one, ADTX 451. So there was the alert, 451, and it got, before it pulled back, all the way up to 674. Just great alerts, guys, the first four. And I don't think these ones moved. OCX, yeah, it's just kind of hanging around. And I don't know if this one has moved. No, but I mean, very choppy. But I mean, these first four just gave you some tremendous percentage moves. Now, let's take a look at my options. So QTT also showed up, in this one. QTT at 373. Again, the same sort of thing, just had to wait and then it popped up. This was a quick one. NGL 351. Got all the way up before it pulled back, all the way up to 410. We were a little bit worried about that one because the 200-day moving average is right at 388. So it did take it out pretty easily, but then it pulled back down. But again, these quick trades. But this is the one I actually tried to trade. This one I think I lost. No, actually, this is the one that I actually basically broke even on. LU, really like this one. You look at the weekly chart on it, and it had no resistance until about 1730 or so, but it just didn't quite make it. I was saying in the room, I didn't love this one because it was so extended. And I waited a little bit for it to maybe rest a little bit over 16. Bottom line is, I could have made a little bit of money, but I was looking for a lot more. It got up to 1626. I was hoping it would just keep ripping from there. WIMI is the one I just got in and out of, WIMI. And now, as I said in the room, it could come back. There was the alert at 825. I waited a bit, got in right around here, and rode it. On average, I did take some out around here, but my average out is around 867. It did get up to 888 with a little bit, let's see, why did I get, yes, look at the weekly chart. And I think, see that high right there on that week? This is back in August August of last year. The high was 885. So I was a little bit aware of that high, thinking it might block it. So anyway, but another great, great trade. I mean, it was very quick. Lots and lots of volume, 13 million shares. I mean, these are not situations where there's not a lot of shares traded. Now, lots and lots of shares are traded, easy to get in, easy to get out. And I don't think this one moved. 2028. Yeah, not really. I wouldn't count that a winner. But, I mean, they can't all be winners, but just some spectacular ones from my options. And again, that's shareable. Go to my homepage, and all you have to do, it's called Moving Higher with Unusually Strong Options, okay? This is the repeating version of it, where you'll see every time it makes a new high over and over and over again. I like to have this one also, though, the don't repeat, just because then I can see the first time it had the alert, and I can go back and say, okay, if I've been busy or something, I can say, okay, what did it do from 12:10? I had an alert at 8:25. What did it do from 12:10 on? And the AI, the AI had one really, this is sort of the price range I don't like to trade, but what a move for PCAR. PCAR, the alert was at 92.85, almost straight up before it pulled back to 103. There's a $10 move for PCAR before it moved back down. It's just in the price range. I don't typically trade the AI, but if you don't have any problems doing that, then obviously if I'd known it was going to move $10, I would have traded it. I just find that some of the more expensive ones don't have the big percentage gains that I'm looking for, but in this particular case, of course, it did. So anyway, super exciting, very, very exciting day in the room, and I'm sure we still have another couple hours, 3 hours, and so I want to get back into the room and see what shakes out for the rest of the day. So I'm going to bring back the capture program. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. Link to the free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.